Ah! My glamour shot! Ah! My tennis trophy! Ah! My glamour shot of my tennis trophy! No!
Hey! What's going on out here? We're trying to celebrate my niece's quinceañera. It's a special day and you're ruining it. Now please, Senor Bunny, keep it down. What is that thing?
He's my dog.
Oof, if you say so. But that's one ugly dog.
How did you do that?
I simply asserted my place as the alpha dog. Sit. See? He's calm, because now he knows I am not afraid of him. Down. Roll over. You see? You need to be the alpha dog to him.
Alpha dog, huh?
One disclaimer. This stuff works on dogs. And I'm still not convinced that that's a dog.
What is wrong with everyone? He's obviously a dog. Good boy.